going to use my Tower 28 Intensive Rescue Serum. I'm trying to use this product up. I have a few products I'm trying to use up at the moment. I cut all my nails yesterday. They're so short. I like to keep very long nails, but they were just a mess. I'm going in with my Elemis Superfood Facial Oil, another product I'm trying to use up. This one was very small, and I'm pretty sure this oil is so expensive. They sent it to me, but it is not a product I would buy because I just don't like spending that much money on skincare. But I do appreciate it, obviously, when brands send me things to try. But it's Thursday. The last time I washed my hair was Tuesday, and it's honestly still looking really good. I didn't touch it at all yesterday. I washed it Tuesday night. Yeah, it still looks so good. Like, I don't even think I'm gonna add dry shampoo. It still looks really good. I used the brand DP Hue for the first time. They sent me a bunch of stuff to try, and I really like how my hair turned out. Another thing I did differently too was I mixed my mousses that I use. I love the Not Your Mother's Curl Chalk, but a newer one to me is the Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Sculpting Foam. The Not Your Mother's Curl Chalk can sometimes be a little bit too much product-y feeling, but then the Paul Mitchell Sculpting Foam can be sometimes a little bit too lightweight, but I really like mixing them, so maybe I'll start doing that as well. I do like, what?
Oh, I'm sorry, you filming that?
Yeah.
My mom asked if they could, they're gonna bring Holly with them.
Yeah, that's fine.
But they asked if they could drop her off here and let her chill while they go run errands after and then come back and get her. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah,
How long are you gonna be in here?
Totally fine. Not long. You need to be in here.
I have to do whatever. I know that. But you do your thing.
Yeah, Justin's parents are coming over for lunch today. But that's why I'm getting ready right now. I need to go out to the pet store. What I was saying, the Paul Mitchell Sculpting Foam is, you know, too lightweight sometimes, but I really like it for when I need to refresh my hair. I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of it today, just because I didn't put any product in my hair yesterday. I'm just gonna get, I think that's probably a fine amount, just a really small amount. You're not gonna be able to see me do this, but I just got my hands a little wet and I'm gonna flip my head over and scrunch it through. I'm gonna put in some earrings. I hate this angle, but I didn't wanna make room for my camera anywhere else, so. I'm gonna do a little pet store haul. Rudy eats the Tiki Dog Aloha Petite. So yeah, he's basically spoiled rotten, our foster puppy, but yeah, we love him. Honestly, we are going to adopt him. I have not said that out loud on YouTube, but yes, Justin and I are obsessed with him. He is slowly but surely coming around to loving Justin. He's obsessed with me, which obviously I am obsessed with. But yeah, he is still a little scared of Justin. I think it's just, you know, a guy thing. A lot of dogs are fearful of men. Says a lot, but Justin is very patient with him, and we just know he'll eventually come around, and he does so amazing with our other dogs. We're just like obsessed with our little family, so we are gonna keep Rudy. I eventually want to have him not eat this food. He goes through this bag in about a month. I am fattening him up, so maybe he eats a little too much, but you know, there's no problem with a dog having a little extra cushion. We really needed more dog treats. This is just straight beef liver, freeze-dried beef liver. They love freeze-dried treats, so I know that this will be a hit. And then Justin's parents are coming over today. They're gonna bring Holly, which is Molly's sister, but I got Holly this little monkey pirate toy and then a Himalayan dog chew. Molly loves these. Molly and Rudy and Wilma, they all love these, but especially Molly and Rudy because they have teeth. Wilma Wilma gnaws on them. Like, once Rudy and Molly kind of do a number on these and they've kind of gone down in size a bit, Wilma will sneak and steal it, and she will enjoy it for a little bit. But Molly and Rudy are really the ones who like love these. But I don't think Holly's ever had one of these before, and I know that she'll like it because I'm sure if Molly likes it, Holly will like it. When we gave Holly to Justin's parents, I suggested her name be Lolly because I thought that was so cute. But apparently Justin's mom knew someone named Lolly, so random, but they ended up going with Holly instead. And they get the names confused all the time. Sometimes I'm like, oh, maybe I should not have suggested that, but I still think it's so cute. But I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. I don't even know what time it is. I'm driving around in a Honda CR-V, and I've honestly been really liking it. It's my cousin's car, but she's in Florida and she left her car here because she didn't want to leave it up at school. Yeah, I've been really liking it. I'm not really in the market at the moment for a new car, but it's definitely something that I'm going to need to get eventually, especially if Justin and I move out of state. I am going to want my own car. Thinking about like a mini SUV kind of style car. I really want to test drive a Toyota RAV4. My grandpa drives one, he loves it. My friend from high school, he used to drive a RAV4 and he loved his RAV4, so I would like to maybe give that a go. I just think Toyota makes really good cars, but this Honda CR-V is so nice, and it's like so safe, it feels like. I was driving a Mazda 3, a 2013 Mazda 3, or maybe it was 2012. I got it in 2013 though, but it did not have like the screen or anything. And it didn't even have a backup cam, which I know that they definitely existed when I got my Mazda, but yeah, my car didn't have a backup cam. My car was a push to start, and that is a non-negotiable for me. I need my car to have a push to start because Justin's isn't a push to start. It's like one that you have to put a key into, and we share that car usually when I don't have a car to drive around, and I can't stand it. I can't stand having to go into my bag and get the keys out, and I just can't. Also, I love the fact that with a push to start, you could just put your keys in the bag and forget about them. You don't even have to worry about like, you know, where are my keys, I have to go. Sometimes that obviously happens because I switch bags or whatever, but yeah, it's so much nicer. But it's 10:30, I really need to get back. I really want to film a video before they come over. They're coming over anywhere between 12 and 1, and I really need to do my makeup. And then this evening, my mom is going to be making like latkes, probably matzo ball soup. I'm not actually sure what she's making this evening, but I know latkes are gonna be involved. I'm there. And yeah, my sister's coming back home today. She flew down from New York, I think Saturday night, but she's been in Raleigh visiting friends. She went to UNC Chapel Hill, so she's been in Raleigh visiting friends, and she comes back today. But yeah, I need to stop chatting and get home.
You guys want cookies? You guys want some cookies? Look how cute you guys all are. Look how cute you guys all are. Set. Oscar, you set too, sir. Oh man. That's a little better. You need to take some treats more gentle. That Oscar takes them really gentle. Rudy, you set? Rude, set? I don't know if Rudy will ever get sick. I just don't know. Sit. That's a good boy. Girl, you're not little. That's still so much teeth, girl. That's okay, Roots. You don't have to sit like everyone else. Oscar, you're such a good boy.
I know it's absurd that my room gets like this. This is my little office. It's completely absurd. But right now I'm just editing a video. I've already finished editing it pretty much. I'm just watching it through to make sure everything looks good, and then I'm going to upload it, focus on my thumbnail. But I need to do two things at once. So while I'm kind of like listening, watching this video back, I'm going to be cleaning up this room. I really wanted this room to be cleaned up before Christmas. It needs to happen. is pretty picked up, at least on my side. We won't even peek. We do just have this giant mountain of clothes. Just a giant mountain of clothes. I'm gonna try and take care of some of it right now because it's actually so big. It does not even fit in our hamper. And then while I do that, I'm also going to pack a little overnight bag because I'm sleeping at my parents' house tonight. And how soft and cozy does Miss Molly girl look? You look so soft and cozy, my ma'am. You look so soft and cozy, my ma'am. Okay, Rudy is never far away when he hears love given out. Right, Mr. Roots? Right, Mr. Roots? We love you, Mr. Roots. Rudy's getting picked up tomorrow by his second home, his second mama. The woman that actually found Rudy, she wasn't able to foster him. So yeah, I swooped in real quick because look at this little man. But she just adores him. Like, she thinks that he's the cutest thing ever. But anytime we've been traveling or it's just been a busy time, like, I'm not going anywhere, but I am going to be spending multiple nights at my parents' house because my grandparents are coming into town. It's going to be Christmas, and I'm just going to be spending multiple nights at my parents' house. And they already have 3 dogs. I'm already bringing Molly and Wilma, and I know that Michelle adores Rudy. And I love that Rudy has like 2 homes that he can be a part of and that he's comfortable in and that he loves. But yeah, tonight's gonna be a really casual night. My mom's not even making matzo ball soup, like I said earlier, but she is making latkes, and I think that we're just having some leftovers. My parents both cook good food. My dad's like an amazing cook, so yeah, like anything that we eat over there is gonna be good. But oh my god, me Mr. Rudy, I'm gonna miss you, little man. I'm gonna miss you. Mr. Walter? That's Allie's cat, Walter.
Frank,
Wow.
Look at
this is
Frank.
a cute group.
Yeah, they're great. Look at Frank's.
Oh my god, they were so sweet.
Do you see how Frank's kind of tapered here?
That's exactly what
Mom, these cats are really cute.
I know.
I never seen the black and white one.
You just haven't looked.
Oh my god, the gray one's tail got fluffy.
Yeah, he's like, who are you? What a group.